Wisdom comes from understanding others. Listen actively and empathetically. Honor your values and principles. Integrity builds trust and respect. Holding on to past hurts or failures hinders progress. Let go to move forward. Balance is essential for a healthy and fulfilling life. Don't let work consume you. Cultivate a curious mind. Curiosity leads to discovery and innovation. Success often comes from perseverance and trust in the journey, not just the destination. Perfection is an illusion. Embrace flaws and imperfections in yourself and others. Seek out what gives your life meaning and purpose. It provides direction and fulfillment. Stay present and fully engaged in the moment. Mindfulness reduces stress and enhances joy. Protect your time and energy by learning to say no to things that don't serve you. True generosity is giving without expecting anything in return. Life will have setbacks. Resilience helps you bounce back stronger. Embrace diversity in thoughts and experiences. It broadens your understanding. Relationships with family and friends are precious. Prioritize and cherish them. Take time to reflect on your experiences. Reflection fosters learning and engage in creative activities. Change is a constant. Accept it gracefully and adapt accordingly. Passion fuels energy and enthusiasm. Pursue what excites you. Be kind to yourself. Self-compassion helps you recover from mistakes and challenges. Inner peace comes from aligning your actions with your values and maintaining balance. Failure is a teacher. Analyze it, learn from it, and use it to grow. Humility keeps you grounded and open to learning from anyone and any situation. Vulnerability is a strength. It fosters genuine connections and personal growth. Always strive to be a better version of yourself. Small improvements add up over time. Words can heal or harm. Use them wisely and kindly. Detach from outcomes. Focus on effort and process rather than the result. Forgiveness frees you from anger and resentment. It's a gift to yourself. Your intuition is a powerful guide. Trust it and follow it. Experiences enrich your life more than material possessions. Your uniqueness is your strength. Celebrate and leverage it. Your happiness is your responsibility. Don't rely on others for it. Personal growth leads to a fulfilling life. Continuously invest in your development. Gratitude transforms your perspective. Practice it daily. Everyone has their own path. Respect and support their journey. Flexibility allows you to thrive in changing environments. A positive outlook attracts positive outcomes. Cultivate positivity in your thoughts and actions. Recognize and celebrate small achievements. They lead to bigger successes. Silence can be powerful. It allows you to reflect and rejuvenate. Constructive feedback helps you grow. Be open to receiving and acting on it. Reliability builds trust. Honor your commitments to yourself and others. Life is unpredictable. Adaptability is a key to resilience. Boundaries protect your well-being. Set and maintain them assertively. Balance work, rest, and play. It's essential for a harmonious life. Diversity enriches your life. Embrace and learn from it. Spiritual well-being is as important as physical and mental health. Nurture your spirit through practices that resonate with you. Every step of your journey has value. Trust in it, even when it's challenging. Be deliberate in your actions. Intentional living leads to a purposeful life. Change is inevitable. Embrace it, adapt to it, and grow with it. Appreciate what you have, rather than focusing on what you lack. Time is your most precious resource. Use it wisely and don't waste it. Never stop learning. Knowledge and skills are valuable assets. Own your actions and their consequences. Accountability leads to growth. Relationships are key to a fulfilling life. Invest in building and maintaining them. Be true to yourself. Authenticity attracts genuine connections. Physical and mental health are foundational to happiness and productivity. Confronting fears builds strength and resilience. Kindness impacts others positively and brings personal fulfillment. Humility fosters learning and growth. Recognize that there's always more to learn. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies. Financial security is important. Save wisely and invest for the future. Clear goals provide direction and purpose. Work consistently towards them. While planning for the future is important, don't forget to enjoy the present moment. Holding on to grudges is harmful. Learn to forgive others and yourself. Flexibility helps you navigate life's uncertainties and challenges. Contributing to others' well-being creates a sense of purpose and satisfaction. A positive mindset can transform challenges into opportunities. Stepping out of your comfort zone is essential for growth and success. Good things often take time. Practice patience with yourself and others. Simplify your life by focusing on what truly matters. Less can be more. Self-discipline is key to achieving your goals and maintaining balance. Life is made up of small moments. Cherish them and find joy in the little things.